The war veterans in Masvingo have outrightly rejected President Emmerson Mnangagwa's borehole and solar project, calling it a late and insincere gesture. Sanapena mashoko anomuda pana pachinzi Masvingo war veterans reject Mnangagwa's borehole project. Pana pachinzi aiwa, it is a late and insincere gesture. Iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vakuda kuzama kunyengera war veterans kuti vabribe kuti vasastopa aiwa the 23rd agenda. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipita mnamudana kwa mchinzi. Speaking in Masvingo on Thursday, after attending Mrs. Auxilia Mnangagwa's rally, one former freedom fighter expressed frustration. The project is only meant to hoodwink us. Why did it take so long to implement? They are doing this because war veterans are saying enough is enough. Another veteran, Comrade Hokoyo Puruvea, added personally, I will not accept the offer because it is insincere. Comrade Sab Mudondo also criticized the initiative, stating, Mnangagwa is taking us for granted. We don't want the boreholes. We wanted the country to move forward. However, Paul Tuvarara, who is leading the program, defended the project, stating, the Presidential War Veterans Fund has been expanded with the solar and borehole program now extended to all war veterans across the 10 provinces. Thomas Kwanobuda Nepapana Patondo Wakumana Mapira Basa. Konama veterans aramba zvatawo. Vets aware kuramba this borehole program and solar program achiti aiwa your project is insincere. Zvakatoramba karipa now makuda kuchitipa this program just because takuenda against your rule, takuenda against your 23rd agenda. Vakomana vatandariswa kumasvingo ngadzidzokerai nanatongorara venyu munzokere neproject iyi just because isusu tiri kuda nyika, hatisi kuda maborehole. Panapa tiona mapowers achidhimandwa nemawar veterans vachiti aiwa tiri kuda nyika nokuti maborehole zvinozoratidza kuti vakomana vachamuka. Tudze mafundo emo tudi kumusoro pechitiko ichi kunyanya kune section yedu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.